Thanks, Denise. Meanwhile, defending boys champions Kingston College will be aiming for title number 37, with perennial rivals Calabar and Jamaica College expected to be in the mix. While on the girls' side, Hydel will be hard-pressed to retain their crown, with Edwin Allen looking ominous in the build-up. Here's Garfield Jones with that story.
Defending champions Kingston College with 36 titles, Calabar with 28 and Jamaica College 22 have combined for 86 of the 105 lifts of the Mortimer Geddes Trophy. And so it's no surprise they are the three schools who dominated discussions around the 2026 Boys Champs title race. However, according to TVJ track and field analyst Dwayne Extall, this year's edition will come down to only two of those institutions, KC and JC.
The boys' side will be absolutely competitive between Kingston College and Jamaica College. KC, defending champions, going for 5 straight. Jamaica College looking to win their first title since 2021. And you look at what they've offered up this season on both sides. Kingston College have been steady. They won the corporate area championship ahead of Jamaica College. But you look at the numbers when you subtract the class 4 points from both schools, it brings them about even. And now it's going to be just a case of how do the coaches and the management staff rally the boys over the next 5 days. And I think that's what's going to make the difference.
However, third place is difficult to call, says Extall, as a number of schools could feature.
For third place, though, that's where the real battle is going to lie between Calabar, Excelsior, San Diego, and Edinal, and they also throw Ulmus into the mix. It is going to be a bang-up between all of those schools. I think Calabar just edges it. Even though they've lost a number of key members this season, coming into the season, they have the edge, and Coach Junior Robinson and company, I think they have enough in terms of firepower to get them that third place. So look out for Edinal. I think they too have a great shot at finishing in the top 3. But Calabar, they edge it for me in third.
International Stadium announcer Donald Smith agrees with Extall that the battle will be fierce between KC and JC, but he's giving the purple and white clad boys from North Street the edge.
Last year, KC won, I think, their 36th title. They would have had Calabar behind them, and then Jamaica College. They won by some 63.5 points, Kingston College, and I think that they have improved significantly this season. We saw them scoring well over 500 points at corporate championships, finishing ahead of Jamaica College, who has improved as well. So, and with Calabar again in a rebuilding phase, the battle will be amongst the two giants, or between, the giants in KC and Jamaica College.
On the girls' side, it is anticipated to be another ding-dong battle between defending champions Hydel and red-hot favourites Edwin Allen High. The girls from Edwin Allen will be bubbling with confidence after romping to victory at Central Champs, amassing over 400 points. Smith says the girls from Frankfield will be looking to dethrone the Corey Bennett-coached Hydel.
Edwin Allen on the girls' side certainly are in a position where the trophy could be going back to Frankfield in Clarendon. They would have scored over 400 points at Central Champs this year, finishing ahead of Homewood Technical. Hydel did not participate at Central Championship, so it's a bit difficult to kind of judge where they are in terms of depth, even though it has been said that they're coming to Champs with a much smaller team, so they may not necessarily factor where the title is concerned. But Edwin Allen, just based on the depth that they have alone, I think that even if they make some of the mistakes that they made last year, they still have the potential to win champs.
According to Extall, a resurgent Homewood could be in the mix.
But on the girls' side again, Edwin Allen, Homewood, and in third place, it's between San Diego and Immaculate for that third spot. Hydel just lacking that bit of quality, but again, they're defending champions, and sometimes when the pressure is highest, champions tend to rise. So we look forward to seeing how they acquit themselves, but it's going to be a tough task defending the title.
Hydel will be hunting their third hold on the championship, while Edwin Allen will be aiming to make it title number 11, which would move them one ahead of Homewood Technical. Veer Technical sits atop the all-time table with 21 titles. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.